Turkey has once again demonstrated significant progress in its defense industry by testing F-16 fighter jets that have undergone a comprehensive modernization or full upgrade program. This program is one of Ankara's strategic steps to maintain national air power while awaiting the development of fifth-generation fighter jets F-16. Modernization is a key priority for the Turkish Air Force, as the aircraft remains the backbone of the country's air defense. With various cutting-edge technological upgrades, Turkish F-16s now possess far more advanced capabilities than previous versions, ranging from radars and avionics systems to electronic warfare, to the ability to integrate the latest generation of weapons. In recent years, Turkey has continuously strived to enhance the capabilities of its F-16 fleet. Through a national modernization program led by the domestic defense industry, various critical components of the aircraft have been updated to remain relevant to modern threats. The latest test marks a significant milestone in the modernization program. The F-16 fighter jets, which have undergone various technological upgrades, underwent a series of flights to evaluate the performance of the new systems. During the flight tests, engineers and test pilots monitored various critical parameters, including radar performance. One of the most significant upgrades to the Turkish F-16 is the installation of an active electronically scanned array, AESA radar. This type of radar is considered one of the most advanced technologies used on modern fighter aircraft today. The AESA radar offers longer range and more accurate target tracking capabilities. In addition to the radar, the Turkish F-16 cockpit has also received major upgrades with the installation of the latest generation of avionics. Multiple high-resolution digital displays replace the old analog instruments. This technology makes it easier for pilots to monitor aircraft conditions and tactical information during missions. The modernization of the Turkish F-16 also includes the capability to carry a variety of next-generation weapons. The aircraft can now operate short and long-range air-to-air missiles, developed by the national defense industry. Furthermore, the integration of smart bombs and precision-guided weapons allows the aircraft to carry out a wide range of missions with high accuracy. This capability provides the Turkish Air Force with greater flexibility in various operational scenarios, including air defense, ground attack, and support for troops on the ground. With the support of modern targeting systems, pilots can engage targets more effectively, even in adverse weather conditions or at night. Turkey is also currently developing a national fifth-generation fighter aircraft, known as the CAN. However, the development of a new generation fighter aircraft requires a long time before it can be mass-produced and fully deployed by the Air Force. Therefore, modernizing the F-16 is a strategic solution to maintain combat readiness until the next generation aircraft is ready to enter operational service. With its new capabilities, the upgraded F-16 is expected to remain operationally effective for years to come. This step allows Turkey to maintain a competitive air force in the region without having to wait for a new fighter program to be fully completed. The successful testing of the fully upgraded F-16 has significantly impacted Turkey's air defense capabilities. The aircraft, already proven reliable, now boasts technology approaching the standards of the latest generation of fighter jets. The combination of an AESA radar, digital avionics, a modern electronic warfare system, and advanced weapons capabilities makes the Turkish F-16 a far more effective combat platform. In addition to enhancing operational readiness, this program also demonstrates the Turkish defense industry's ability to independently develop high-level military technology. This success reinforces Turkey's position as a developing nation in the aerospace and defense sectors. The testing of the fully upgraded F-16 fighter jet represents a significant milestone for the Turkish Air Force and the national defense industry. The comprehensive modernization, which includes an AESA radar, next-generation avionics, advanced electronic warfare systems, and the integration of modern weapons, significantly enhances the aircraft's combat capabilities. The successful flight test demonstrates that the F-16 still has significant potential to remain a key component of Turkey's air defense for decades to come. While awaiting the arrival of Khan's fifth-generation fighter jets, the modernized F-16 fleet will be at the forefront of safeguarding Turkey's airspace, sovereignty, and addressing future security challenges. The F-16 Fighting Falcon fighter jet is one of the most successful and widely used fighter aircraft in the world. Although first introduced in the 1970s, this aircraft remains the backbone of air forces in various countries thanks to its capabilities that are constantly updated to keep pace with modern technology. Known for its agility, speed, and exceptional combat capability, the F-16 has been involved in numerous military operations worldwide. To this day, it is still considered one of the best multi-role fighter jets ever built. The F-16 was developed by Lockheed Martin to meet the United States Air Force's need for a lightweight, highly maneuverable fighter. The aircraft made its maiden flight in 1974 and entered operational service at the end of the decade. Since then, more than 4,500 F-16s have been produced and are used by dozens of countries worldwide. The F-16's success lies not only in its flight performance, but also in its ability to be continuously modernized to remain relevant against modern threats. One of the F-16's main advantages is its aerodynamic design, which allows the aircraft to perform extreme maneuvers with remarkable precision. The fuselage shape is designed to reduce air resistance while increasing stability during high-speed maneuvers. Pilots can quickly change direction when engaging opponents in close-range dogfights. The F-16 is also one of the first fighter aircraft to use a digital fly-by-wire flight control system. This technology replaces traditional mechanical systems with computers that control the aircraft's control surfaces. As a result, the aircraft is more responsive and easier to control, even in very challenging flight conditions. The F-16 is capable of reaching a maximum speed of over Mach 2, or approximately 2,400 kilometers per hour, depending on configuration and flight conditions. This high speed allows the aircraft to respond quickly to threats, intercept air targets, and carry out strike missions quickly. In addition to its speed, the F-16 also has excellent acceleration, allowing it to accelerate from low to high speeds in a relatively short time.